A very good morning to all my lovely children. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 6 of a literature reader book, and the name of the lesson is Mystery of the Refrigerators. So now come to the story. Hi, I am Winston Hamster. I have an amazing story to share. So who is talking here? Winston Hamster. He says that I have an amazing story to share. I have an interesting and surprising story to share. Then he started narrating the story. Yesterday I went to buy my favorite chocolate bars from Snippety Snacks. My little brother Danny likes chocolate, so I bought one for him. They were just ₹10 only. Danny ate his chocolate immediately. I put mine in the fridge. I thought I would eat them later. So Winston says that yesterday he went to the Snippety Snacks to buy his favorite chocolate bars, and he knew that his little brother Danny also likes chocolate, so he bought one for him, and they were just ₹10 only. When he gave chocolate to his brother, he ate them immediately, and Winston kept his chocolate in the fridge and thought of eating them later. After some time, I opened the fridge. The bars were not there. So after some time, when Winston opened the fridge to eat his chocolate, what did he find? The bars were not there. His chocolate was missing. I shouted, "Danny, you selfish creature, why did you eat my chocolate?" Then he shouted at Danny and called him selfish creature and asked, "Why did you eat my chocolate?" So he was suspecting his little brother Danny behind this. "I did not," he shouted back from his room. And Danny was in his room. He shouted back from there that he did not. Sam heard me. He came out of his room and showed me the latest Hamster Times newspaper. I read the headline, "Gobbler, refrigerators, your food is not safe in them." So when Sam heard him shouting, he came out of his room and showed Winston the latest Hamster Times newspaper. What was the name of the newspaper? Hamster Times newspaper. Then Winston read the headline in the newspaper, which stated that "Gobbler, refrigerators, your food is not safe in them." What is the meaning of gobbler? It means something or someone who eats food quickly. So it was written that "Gobbler, refrigerators, your food is not safe in them. Your food is not protected in them." What? Refrigerators are stealing food? I was stunned. So Winston was stunned. What is the meaning of stunned? Shocked. Winston got shocked when he read the headline in the newspaper, which stated that refrigerators were stealing food. "You have to solve this mystery," Winston Sam said. Then Sam said to Winston that you have to solve this mystery. You have to find out who is behind this. "Me alone?" I asked. Then Winston asked to Sam, "Me alone? How can I solve this mystery alone?" "You are not alone. Danny, Sparky and I will come with you." Then Sam said that you are not alone. Danny, Sparky and I will also come with you. We are also with you. But then a terrible thought came to my mind. What if we were going by a car? So children, then a terrible, very bad thought came to his mind that what if they were going by a car? I asked him if we were going by a car. "Of course we are," he replied. Then he asked to Winston, asked to Sam that what if we were going by a car? What if they were going by a car? Then Sam said, "Of course we are going by a car only." Oh no, I can become car sick," I squeaked. Then he cried. Winston cried that, oh no, I don't want to go by a car. I can become car sick. I will become car sick. He made me sit in his brand new car. After 10 minutes, our whole family followed us. I checked which factory was making those refrigerators. We went straight to that factory. So Sam made Winston sit in his brand new car. After 10 minutes, their whole family followed them. Then Winston checked which factory was making those awful refrigerators. After finding it, they went straight to that factory. Luckily, the guards allowed us inside. We went in and saw squirrels making small hands and a mouth in every refrigerator. Some were going to deliver them to the market. So when they reached the factory, there they saw some squirrels who were making small hands and a mouth in every refrigerator. And some were going to deliver them to the market. We left the factory. We went home and made a plan to stop them from making those awful refrigerators. After seeing this, they left the factory and went directly to their home. There they made a plan to stop the factory from making those awful, what is the meaning of awful? Very bad. To stop the factory from making those awful, very bad gobbler refrigerators. So Sam, Winston, Sparky and Danny, they made a plan to stop the refrigerator factory from making those awful gobbler refrigerators. What happened next? We will see in the next part of the video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.